You've backed up your data, but have you backed up your access? Backing up your data is smart. You've got external hard drives. Maybe a cloud subscription, maybe both. But if you're the only one who knows how to access those backups, then you haven't really backed up anything. Here's the hard truth. Access is just as important as storage. If you're using tools like encrypted folders, password vaults, or secure file systems, your family can't just plug in and go. They need to know what tools you use. They need to know how to unlock them. And without that, your backup becomes a digital brick. Now imagine an emergency where your spouse needs to retrieve your insurance policy, tax files, or health records, and they're all in a backup drive they can't unlock. The Digital Emergency Kit solves that. It gives you a structured way to list what you've backed up, where it's stored, what's inside, and how someone you trust can safely access it. This isn't about dumping your passwords into a notebook. It's about creating a plan. A bridge between you and the people who may have to act in your place. Click the link in the description and make sure your backup actually works when it's needed. Start your Digital Emergency Kit today.